Hello and welcome to our BIM Project Cloud plugin tutorial. Today, I will show you how to easily navigate around the app, and I will also present all of its features. After you log in, open the plugin and select one of the languages. This will not only translate the user interface of the app, but when creating the BIM object in your projects, parameters will be translated too. I'm going to stick to English. The user interface is divided into four main sectors. The first sector is on your left side, where all the objects categories are listed. You can use our search tool to find the one that you're looking for. To add the requirements, use the filters in the second sector, called Requested Properties. This will not only allow you to filter the products, but also define the properties for generating your own BIM object. To create your own object, click on the left button and continue by selecting the required parameters and their values. When the parameters match your requirements, click on the button Continue and add the object to your project. Newly generated BIM object withholds the essential properties as well as the parameters you have selected in the previous step. If you wish to update the values or the parameters, select the object, go back to our plugin, set up the new requirements, and continue by clicking the left button again. The confirmation table will inform you that you are about to update the selected family with the following information. Confirm by clicking the Continue button. As you can see, the object parameters were updated. If you wish to undo the previous step, simply click on the Undo button or press Ctrl Z. There are hundreds of generic BIM objects ready for you to use, and we are adding the new ones on a daily basis. The requested properties, as mentioned before, also serve you as filters to find the right product for your project. The difference between the generated object from previous steps and real products in the matching product sector is that all the products withhold information of the existing product presented by manufacturers. After filling up the requested properties, select one of the matching products. There are documents and links to the product web pages listed in the document sector. On the far right side, all the information about the selected product is listed. It is up to you to select the parameters that you wish to be inserted into your project. To insert this product, make sure nothing is selected in the project environment and click on the right button. The confirmation table will inform you about the actions that are going to be executed by pressing the Continue button. Only the information you have selected was inserted into the project. If you wish to create another type of this product, select the object, click on the right button, select Replace selected with the new type of the family, and here you might want to slightly adjust the information. This action will create a new type of existing object. If you wish to completely replace the objects you already have in your project, select all of them and follow by clicking the right button. This time select Replace selected with New Family option and execute by pressing Continue. All of the selected objects were replaced by requested product. These functions allow you to use BIM Project Cloud plugin in all of the project stages, throughout the professions, and despite the nature of the project. We hope this short tutorial was beneficial to you, and if you have any further questions, please leave us a comment.